Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be getting my first retwist in style after having my lock extensions removed. I decided to get rope twist because I felt like for me personally, rope twist is just a classic style. And it's easy because even though your hair is technically styled, it's still to me like having my hair free because I can still style my rope twist just as I would my loose locks. And rope twist make my hair last longer because I go from my twist to having my hair curly, which is like another style. And I really get to enjoy my locks for the entire month, having them twisted and then having them curly. So I really felt like rope twist was going to be the best style to get after having my lock extensions removed, so I can still enjoy my hair and get the best experience out of it. You'll see in the video that my rope twists still have a lot of length on them. I thought that when I got my rope twist, because my hair is shorter, that they would be like extremely short, but they weren't. You'll see they actually had a good amount of length on them, and I'm really happy about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to give you guys a little intro on what's going on here, but I've been enjoying the hell out of my hair, y'all. I'm just loving my new hair. I wish I would have done this sooner, but life is perfect timing, so this is great. But I'm loving my hair. I just can't wait to try a bunch of new styles. So stay tuned for my future videos on my new hairstyling. And I think it'd be cool to do like a series on my channel where me and Courtney recreate certain lock styles that I've gotten when I had my longer hair versus trying them now with my shorter hair. So I think that would be cool to do that on my channel because my favorite hairstyle I've ever had was my genie ponytail, and that would look hilarious with the short hair that I have now. So that might be something we do. Stay tuned for those videos. But that's about it. I'm gonna let you guys just enjoy the video and see how I get my hair done. So thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.